I get a bacon breakfast biscuit and a large French vanilla?
Anything for a side to make the combo on?
No, that's everything, thanks. Alrighty. Welcome back to a new episode. We're just up here today, just got on dirt roads a little bit ago. From the start, you guys seen, ended up picking a new hatchet up from Canadian Tire. Started out with some Tims, so today's looking pretty good so far. The plan right now is to look for an awesome spot. So we're not going to be camping the night tonight, but we're going to be out here for the day. Unfortunately, the diesel heater still having some issues, and my replacement parts haven't came in yet. So kind of waiting on that. Hopefully that'll be in within the next week and we can start doing some overnighters again. But until then, this is gonna do. Yeah, I just had to stop for a minute. That is, man, so nice out today. All the snow is starting to melt off the trees. The sun's beaming down. So I think we're getting a bit of an early spring this year. But yeah, it's super nice out today. Well, I think we found the spot, guys. Looks like people have been having kind of fires kind of right here, so this looks like it's like a 4x4ing snowmobile trail. So I'm gonna land here for today, make up that steak for lunch. It is pretty windy up here. You can kind of see the trees all swinging there, but yeah, really nice day today other than a little bit higher wind. Man, people littering. How hard is it to take some beer cans out? I'm gonna pack those out with me today. Man, just disrespecting the outdoors, man. It's so easy to pack your trash. If you guys are ever drinking out in the woods, whatever, don't litter, don't leave your cans, don't leave your garbage. That's just making it a hassle for everyone else, and it's ruining the immersiveness of being up in some beautiful spots. And I forgot the little step stool. That's okay. It's not too high of a jump here. We're not camping today, so it's not the biggest deal. So the plan was I was gonna bring like a rack. Maybe I can find something in here, but I was gonna bring an old oven rack kind of to like cook the steak over the fire, but I forgot that, unfortunately. The one thing I needed. I might have something in the camper that'll work. If not, I got the pan. We'll just cook it over the fire in a pan, but I would like to just cook it over it, right over the coals would be nice. Ooh, that actually might work good. What is this? I didn't even know I had this in here. I think this is maybe meant for fish. I don't know where. My dad must have got this somewhere years ago. This is what we're gonna use to cook the steak. Definitely made for fish, I think. Like, you probably put one fish there, one fish there, one fish there, I'm guessing. No, it's cool. I didn't even know I had this, so that's gonna work perfect, I think. So I'm thinking, instead of doing the fire right here, I might dig a little bit against this wall of snow. So I ended up picking this new hatchet up. Schrade, I don't know if it's a very good brand, but it looked okay. It was about 44 bucks at Canadian Tire. So I got some wood at the gas station. Everything around here, it's pretty wet. So I just want some good dry wood that to make up our steak. It's a nice little hatch. It has some good weight to it. I think that's gonna work out just fine. And it comes with a little sheath too. That's nice. Looked like a search and rescue helicopter right there. I should have showed you guys. Wonder if someone's stuck or lost up here. I just got a bad feeling, man. What if my Zolia went off or something? As like some SOS rescue, but... well, they're definitely not looking for me, so that's a good thing. They're just kind of circling around here. I wonder what happened. I hope everyone's okay. I know there's a lot of cross-country skiers around here. There's some trails and stuff. So I don't know if someone got lost or what's happening, but they've circled maybe 4 or 5 times now. So must be in that general area, and that's over where the trails are. So hopefully they find what they're looking for. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stack a couple logs along the bottom, use it as kind of a base to build some coals. So I'm thinking throw 3 logs on the bottom like that. That'll get nice, turn into good coals for us to cook on, and we'll build our fire on top of that. Man, it's really windy out here. It should light up good though. It is windy as hell out here. Like, hopefully the audio's not too bad for you guys. So we're going simple today, just steak. I don't even know if I have a plate. Oh, what is this? Okay, we got like a little freaking glass dish, that'll work. I wonder if I can just find it right here. Where's Montreal steak? I see it. Bang. This is the best stuff for steak, man. I think there's a little bit of oil that's not frozen. Kind of gelatinous. Okay. Spray enough oil. Looks kind of sus. Alright, that looks about good to me. So right now, it is 10 outside, dude. It is so warm. Last time I was up here, like the warmest I got was -8, I think. Man, spring is coming, man. I don't know if it's just a really nice warm day, but I will take it. Oh, I think it's about time to get that steak on. So let's push this fire more towards the back. Oh, that's gonna be mint. Pick up your guys' trash, okay? I shouldn't be having to pick other people's trash up, but it's just what you gotta do sometimes. Alright, let's go in for this flip. Oh shit. She's a little bit toasty, but that's fine. So that steak is definitely done. Might have overcooked it a little bit, but that's fine. Just gonna leave this out here and let that kind of cook all the gunk off of it. Man, I really hope whoever's okay. They've been searching for about an hour now, maybe an hour and a half even. They've just been kind of circling the same area though, so not too sure what they're doing. Give her a taste test. So it's definitely overdone. That's okay. That's like my first time ever cooking a steak over a fire. I usually just do them on the barbecue because we always have a little mini barbecue when we go camping. But man, the smoky flavor on this thing is so good. Alright guys, I am going to call that the end of the trip today. The steak was awesome. Fire was just a vibe. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're pushing in on 2,000, so that's super cool. Yeah, it was a fun day out here. Super nice weather, but just that wind was a killer, man. So windy. But yeah, I will catch you guys in the next episode.